To begin with, the PLC scans the inputs, executes the program and controls the outputs in accordance with the resident program. In the above diagram, input 1 is not seen until scan 2. This is due to the reason that scan 1 would have already completed looking at the inputs when input 1 is turned on. Likewise, until scan 3, input 2 is not seen. This is also because when the input 2 is turned on, scan 2 had already finished looking at the inputs. On no occasion, input 3 is seen, since signal 3 is not on while scan 3 is looking the inputs. If the input is not long enough, the PLC does not see the input turn on, and this situation is not desirable. There are two ways to overcome this disadvantage. Applying pulse stretch function is the first way shown. Until the PLC views the input in the course of the next scan, the input signal's length is increased by pulse stretch function. That is, the period of the pulse is elongated by this function. Interrupt function is the alternative method. The scan is interrupted by this function to process a significant routine which has been written. Once the interrupt signal is active, the PLC instantly stops what it is doing and performs the interrupt routine irrespective of where the scan presently is. Once the execution of the interrupt routine is over, it moves back to the place it ceased at and continues on with the normal scan process. The interrupt can be designed to get the program to read the input as soon as the input turns on.